Hey everybody, Shu here. Today we're going to be kayaking from the Weymouth Furnace to Lake Lenape, which is located in Mays Landing, New Jersey. The water trail itself is very beautiful. There's all kinds of twists, turns. It's not too hard to get lost back there, but it's not too easy either. There are a couple of turn-offs, but as long as you follow the flow of the water, you'll do good. But today's episode, we're going to actually stop first at where we're going to end at. Because we're going to drop the Jeep off at one location, then we're going to drive all the way over to the Weymouth Furnace. So stay tuned, stand by, and you guessed it, roll those intros. Hey everybody, Shu and April here. Shu and April here. Hey everybody, Shu and April here. Alrighty, I am here at Lake Lenape in beautiful Mays Landing. Got a nice little breeze today, so that might be kind of entertaining trying to get through this lake on a kayak, but that's our final destination, is that little pier over there. The park here at Lake Lenape has a whole bunch of camping sites here that you can camp at. Very beautiful, very quiet. Very peaceful. You're not allowed to swim here. There is swimming way over there across the water, but this is a no swimming area. They have nice little bird houses, playground here. So if you're ever in this area, definitely check this place out. But right now we're just waiting for April to show up so we can drop the Jeep off here and then head to the Weymouth Furnace. So stand by, stay tuned again. So we are looking at Weymouth to Lake Lenape. That's worst case scenario, you're looking at 7 hours of kayaking. Best case, 5 hours. So let's see what we can do.
Somebody already parked, right?
She was parked in front of him, the new person parked behind him. Hey everybody, Shu and April here. We are now at Weymouth Furnace. This is actually where we first met for the first time. So we're gonna get these kayaks unloaded. We're gonna get on the water. We're gonna start this day off. Hard to believe it started off at 31 degrees and now we're sitting at almost 60 degrees. So let's get on the water and see what we can find out there.
Enjoy your day.